I'm prepping this Berry Croissant Breakfast Casserole for Saturday morning's game, and it couldn't be easier. It's perfect to make ahead, the best way to use leftover croissants, and it bakes up with a creamy center and crispy, flaky top. Never mushy. We'll start by greasing a 9 by 13-inch baking dish with non-stick cooking spray or butter. I'm using 4 large and 1 small leftover croissant. They're slightly stale and have been in the fridge for about 3 days. This is one of those little details that makes a big difference, especially for baked croissant casseroles. Day-old croissants soak up the custard so much better without turning mushy, giving you a creamy center and a beautifully flaky top every time. Cut the croissants into 1 to 2 inch pieces. It doesn't have to be exact, just go with your heart. Then arrange them evenly in the prepared baking dish. For the custard, crack 4 large eggs into a bowl and add 1½ cups of whole milk or heavy cream, if you prefer it a little richer. I love using maple syrup in this recipe, so I'm adding about 2 tablespoons, but you can absolutely swap in a 1/4 cup of sugar if you prefer. Add 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. I measure with my heart. Whisk everything together until smooth and fully combined. You can use either fresh or frozen berries for this recipe. If you're using fresh berries, go ahead and add about 2 cups right now. Then pour the custard evenly over the croissants and berries. If you're using frozen berries like I am, it's best to wait and add them right before baking. Frozen berries release a lot of moisture as they thaw, and waiting helps prevent the casserole from becoming too watery while still keeping the berries juicy and vibrant. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate overnight, or for at least 3 hours. I'll add the frozen berries later, right before baking. Now it's time to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This croissant casserole has been sitting in the fridge overnight, and you'll notice there's still a little liquid around the edges, but not much. That's what we want, which helps it bake up flaky instead of soggy. We'll need about 2 cups of berries. I'm using a frozen cherry and berry blend. Spread them evenly over the top of the croissants. Frozen berries often have ice clinging to them, so I like to give them a quick rinse. Drain them well in a colander and pat them dry if needed. This extra step removes excess moisture and helps keep the casserole creamy, not watery or mushy. We'll also add about 1 teaspoon of citrus zest. Lemon or orange zest both work beautifully here. Citrus zest adds brightness and aroma, balancing the rich custard and making the berries really pop, without adding any extra moisture. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes, or until the top is beautifully golden and set in the center. While that's baking, let's make a simple glaze. In a small bowl, add 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 teaspoon of lemon or lime juice, 1 tablespoon of milk, and a pinch of salt. Whisk everything together until smooth and glossy. Just take a sniff, the buttery croissant aroma, sweet baked berries, and that fresh, zesty citrus scent. Absolutely irresistible. It's the perfect smell to wake up your taste buds. The top is perfectly golden and flaky, while the inside stays creamy and custardy. Listen to that crunch. Now drizzle the glaze slowly over the warm casserole. This adds just a touch of sweetness. and brings everything together without overpowering the croissant and berry flavors. I like to finish it with a few extra fresh berries on top for a pop of color, freshness, and that bakery-style look. This croissant breakfast casserole can sit out for up to 2 hours, keeps well in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days, and freezes beautifully once baked. Just let it cool completely, wrap it tightly, or store it in an airtight container. It reheats well and is perfect for make-ahead mornings. This is one of those recipes you'll want to make again and again. The croissants bake up with a creamy, centered, and crisp, flaky top, never mushy. You can use fresh or frozen berries, make it ahead, freeze leftovers, and still get a gorgeous dish every time. The citrus zest brightens everything. The berries add beautiful color, and the texture is absolutely spot on. It's easy, crowd-pleasing, and perfect for brunch, holidays, or game mornings. Give it a try, and you won't regret it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves brunch. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you this Saturday with another delicious recipe.